What's going on, guys? My name is CardFetch'd. I am here with Mrs. CardFetch'd.
Hi guys.
And if you haven't noticed from the thumbnail, we are doing a Pikachu and Eevee GX boxes. So I am on Team Eevee, she's on Team Pikachu. And what we're going to do is the 2 packs on each side are going to be the booster packs that we open. And the rarest card wins the game. So comment down below for Team Eevee or comment down below for Team Pikachu.
Pikachu! Or I guess I should say Pikachu!
Pikachu. So let's go ahead and get straight into it and open up these boxes. Alright guys, so first up we are going to be pulling out these promo cards. Both of ours are the same. So we have Eevee and Pikachu. And then pull out your Pikachu.
Oh my gosh,
Eevee.
look at him!
This Eevee is the main reason why I wanted these boxes. Just look at him. Look at him. He's very, very cute.
I'd say this is the coolest. Like, look at that shine, guys. Look at that.
Next up we have these
Colors.
jumbo Pokemon
Those
cards.
colors are awesome.
The back of these always freaked me out just because it's the same plain old back. And it's just weird to see it that huge.
I will say though, it's a lot more flexible than a typical card. But it's still pretty cool though.
Alright, so I scored, let's see, I scored XY Evolutions and Cosmic Eclipse. Oh, same on that side too.
Yeah, it looks like the same packs for each.
Okay. So, my 2 packs.
Oh,
well,
and I had Unified Minds and Cosmic Eclipse.
So, it is Cosmic Eclipse versus Unified Minds and XY Evolution.
And here is your guys' card if you want it.
And here is mine. Boom. Alright, so how are we... Bloop. How are we doing this? How are we gonna go first?
I don't really know. I'm happy for the Sun and Moon packs.
Cosmic Eclipse.
Well, they're all part of the Sun and Moon. Which I know that I'm pretty sure a couple of the Lapras that I am after are in the Sun and Moon packs. If I'm not mistaken, pretty sure they're in the Sun and Moon packs.
I'm excited for the XY Evolutions.
Yeah, I think those are gonna be like your favorites.
The reprint of the base cards.
Yeah.
I love them.
He loves those so much.
Alright, who is opening up the first pack?
Rock, paper, scissors for it.
Alright, let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah.
Boom. Alright, I go first. So this is Cosmic Eclipse. That was very easy to open. That is strange. Put that there. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the back. We have a Lowengrimer, Magnemite, Eevee, Team Eevee. That's a sign. Sneasel, Fire Energy, Milo and Lana, Clefairy, Pignite. Ooh, full art coughing in the reverse hollow. And boom!
Oh, wow.
Double trouble for Team Eevee. We have secret rare Volcariona GX.
Wow.
And a full art coughing.
That full art is beautiful. Beautiful.
Bomb cards. That is nice. I have to sleeve these up. Amazing first pack magic on these two cards. So let's put them down here for Team Eevee. Look at that sparkle and shine. That's gonna be hard to beat. That will be hard to beat for Team Pikachu.
Alright, guys. We're gonna go with the Cosmic Eclipse.
Will it beat?
Oh wow, that was really easy.
Alright, let's see.
Your guys' code.
Code card. But you. How they lay. Yeah.
That could have done
Alright,
that.
let's see if that was correct card sequence. We have a Rufflet, an Oddish, a Ralts, Sandygast, Spheal, Happy Spheal, Leaf Energy. Alright, I thought that was rare. Cricketune. We have a Bisharp, Reverse Hollow Cottony, and a holographic Black Kyrium.
Okay. Still pretty cool.
Not bad. Where'd that card go? What fell? There it is. Hi, guys. All right. Put your cards up here. Your two up there.
Oh, I figured you were going to want to put them,
Nope.
just start moving them out of the way.
Nope. There we go. So here's the first pulls for Team Eevee and the first two pulls for Team Pikachu. Team Eevee is in the lead. Now Team Eevee will open up X and Y evolutions. There is the code card. 1, 2, 3. We have the seal. Charmander. Diglett. Drowsy. Caterpie. Poliwhirl. Brock's Grit Trainer. Professor Oak's Hint. Boom, baby! Reverse Hollow Farfetch'd. Farfetch'd Dance. Farfetch'd Dance. Had to do it. Alright, I didn't look. And the last is boom! A rare Beedrill. Alright, Farfetch'd, you get a special little spot right there to blind everyone with your awesomeness. I'm just joking, guys. He's gonna go right there. But look at that. Look at you. Look at you. Alright, your turn. Oh. Farfetch'd for the CardFetch'd. I gotta say, every time I pull a CardFetch'd, I pull a Farfetch'd, excuse me, or if I ever see anyone pull a Farfetch'd. Farfetch'd for the CardFetch'd.
I'm trying so hard not to be salty right now. I'm trying so hard. Alright.
Salty, salty. pack of Unified Minds. Ooh, got that white and green code card.
What does that mean?
You're going to pull something good here. You're going to pull something good. 1, 2, 3, 4. You did that wrong. Flip these two. Flip them two.
Are you sure?
Yes. Flip them. There you go.
I don't know.
Ooh.
Lickitung!
We have Lickitung, Dweeble, Muna.
Pikachu!
There's Pikachu for Team Pikachu. Bidoof, Fire Energy, Gabite, Cherish Ball, Tag Switch. We have a Reverse Hollow Skorupi and a Rare Haxorus. I'd say you beat me on that pack.
I don't know. I mean, to tell you the truth,
Well, we both got the reverse hollow, but you got the holographic over
yeah,
mine.
that's true.
But first round, I totally blew you out of the water.
Yeah. Although, I mean, we still have two. I know, that's your baby. There's not going to be anything. Even if I win this, Nathan still wins.
Fuck. Alright.
Yeah.
Here is Cosmic Eclipse. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the front. Energy. Rapidash. Propass. Igglybuff. Cosmog. Pancham. Drillbur. Tangela. Eevee for Team Eevee. We have a Reverse Hollow Drampa. And draw. We have a Seismitoad.
Alright, Team
Tough
Pikachu.
pulls.
Team Pikachu can still come back. Let's
see what we get. You got to pull those two
I'm gonna
full
get Unified
arts.
Minds with this one.
Unified Minds. We have the code card for you. Get out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just put it to the front. Just put it to the front. No. Alright, just do that. Just do that.
Okay.
Alright. Let's see. We have a Snorunt, Drillbur, Dweeble, Pidove, Muna, Energy, Steenie, Azelf, Dedenne, Reverse Hollow Slugkoth, and a rare non-hollow Executor.
Dang.
Couple tough pulls. Tough pulls.
I mean, for Team Pikachu to do anything,
You got to put a lot of faith
bring
on
it.
that Cosmic Eclipse. A lot of faith in it.
I want a Lapras really bad.
Last pack for Team Eevee. Pokemon X, Y, Evolutions. Oh, you want the code card? You want it? Hit that like button if you want it. I'm being serious. Hit that like button. Do it. Hey, thank you. There you go. Alright, we have Charizard Spirit Link, Poliwhirl, Maintenance Trainer card, a Little Wormy, a Magnet, a Explosive Magnet, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Reverse Hollow Hitmonchan, and boom! Full Art Brock's Grit. Boom! Those are some amazing pulls for Team Eevee. Aha! Wow. You need to pull absolute fire out of this pack. Will she pull it? What you got? We have that thing. We have a Jingmo-O-O, Rowlet, Skrelp, Pikachu for Team Pikachu, Energy, Island Challenge Amulet, Kirlia, I messed that up, Roller Skater. We have the full art Coughing, and a rare Sylveon. Let's go ahead and sleeve up that Coughing. That's cool. We got doubles. We got doubles. I'll take doubles of these Coughings any day.
Are we going based off of value?
I think we're going based off value. You guys already know who won this. We have no idea. We still have to look up the values. Alright guys, so that's the video. That was Pikachu versus Eevee GX boxes. Really hope you guys enjoyed the card pulls. Make sure you guys give us a like, comment down below. I know I messed up a couple names in this video, so let me know what they are so I can teach myself. So like always, I am signing off here with Mrs. CardFetch'd. So, CardFetch'd out!